Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today we will see how to schedule Windows Defender scan. To get started, open Task Scheduler from the search engine. Now go to the route that you can follow on the screen. There, select the Windows Defender Scheduled Scan option, then click on in the Properties line. In the Initial tab, you can make the basic settings. Next, go to the Triggers tab and there click on the New button. Confirm that the option on a schedule is there. You can adjust the analysis based on the desired time by setting date and time. Apply these changes. Now go to the Actions tab to see the command to run by default. Afterwards, go to the Conditions tab and make the necessary adjustments. You can go through the other tabs to make changes and then apply them. We will see that the task will be scheduled as configured. Now it is possible to carry out a personal examination. For this, right-click on the main part and there select the New Folder option. Assign the desired name. Now right-click on this folder and select Create Task. In general, set the name and basic settings. Next, go to Actions, click on New and there click on Browse. Go to the path where the Windows Defender executable is and select this option. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now in the Add Arguments field, enter the quiz parameter to use. You can apply the changes. Now go to Triggers and click New. There you define the frequency of system analysis. Apply these changes. You can check if some more adjustments are needed before applying the global changes. This system scan has now been scheduled at the set times. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.